Well, happy Saturday evening. We're rolling with Hollywood tonight. So we are off to Coffeyville, Kansas, I think. I'm waiting on the pin. It's somewhere between Coffeyville, Kansas and Independence. He was struggling to figure out where he was at, and I said, well, I'm an hour away. How about I just pack up and you figure it out? And he goes, that will work out just fine, young man. I think it's going to be a really nice gentleman tonight. Just was a pleasure to talk to on the phone. I'm looking forward to meeting him, to be right honest with you, but I think it's an outside duel on his tractor. So we're gonna try a 1-bar drop. We might make it work, we might not. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But Caleb is missing dinner tonight. What are you missing tonight for dinner?
Let's see, bacon wrapped ribs.
What, like pork ribs?
Yes.
And you put them in the crock pot?
For 8 hours, and then I got barbecue sauce waiting on them.
I see. I think he got that idea for me, but I was completely full of BS at the moment, and he took me serious, so I don't know what's going to happen. But either which way, we are in hot pursuit. Trucker down, trucker down. Well, we just got on scene here. I believe this is why we are here. So, look at this tire size here, 295. Yep, we're good. See if there's any other damage or anything. Oh boy, you got the high speed wiring up there, but road repair is road repair, baby. I will look at this. I did bring my quarter fenders along here. We may pop that on here real quick. Got Tammy looking to see how much I paid for them. I just don't remember, so. But we'll get them taken care of. We'll get started. All right. Got her lubed up good. Wheel speeds broke them. We'll just grab one more bite. We'll put a little more pee on it. Pull you're doing it. Just let, there it is. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right, so we got it barred right up on there. Let's see what you do, Mr. Holly. Oh! That's supposed to come off that easy? That sure looked easy. I'm gonna give you a good score on that one. We may not even have to buff the beads on this one. They're not looking too bad. Super cool. All right, hook that sucker up on there. We did the 1-bar drop. Let's see if we can do the... Oh, look at that go. That was successful. Now he'll probably take a bar and he'll probably anchor it. He's gonna use his foot on this one. I'm gonna get you over here to this side. And then he's gonna use bar walks to get it up. But he shouldn't need any more than those two. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it real good there, because it's gonna want to start to pull on you real quick here, okay? Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. And I do have a cheat.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to have that cheat.
You'll be made fun of on YouTube for using it. The Singapore boys, they don't use no cheats. All right, YouTube warriors, you gotta give him a little slack here. He's using a cheat. I said that'll help him here a little bit. You want me to hold that?
Yep.
You've been slinging tires probably about 30 days, and we don't do just tires like we're a high volume tire shop, and after 30 days you did 500 of them. We're not a high volume shop, so to go from never doing this to doing a 1-bar drop and just a little bit of assistance on bars, get a little closer. That's a greedy bite. Yeah, and then I'll hold that. But to get this to this far along on 30 days doing a 1-bar drop, man, I'll use a cheat, not be mad at him. Good job, Mr. Holly. You made that look good. You made that look good. Would you like to say anything to the ladies for that?
No.
Not to the ladies? Well, you got one lady at home.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get some air in it and we'll be on the road. Well, but
There's 110 on
110, that sounds right. Yeah. This guy is the luckiest guy. So we got it all he says it'll go, it'll be fine. Sure enough, we just put a little air in it and he's got it. I'm very happy for you, sir. Very happy. Well, we're on our way back home. That the job went real well. That guy that we went and worked for used to do roadside assistance. And he just blew his back out. Which, gosh, I can understand that. But Caleb got right on it. Did the 1-bar drop. Had everything we needed. Outside duels, when everything goes right, it's pretty easy. Pretty easy run, but shit, it was a little over an hour to get here, a little hour to go back, so, you know, it is what it is. What do you got to say for the world there, Hollywood? Anything?
Get her done.
I'm thinking I'm ready to go home and take a nap. But appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.